What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check to make sure that the battery on your iPhone 16 Pro Max is an original, authentic battery. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how you can check the battery status and authenticity of the battery on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You know, maybe you're buying an iPhone and you want to make sure that it has an original battery. Or maybe you took your phone to a shop and they replaced the battery and you want to make sure they put in an original battery in there. So super easy to check it. How we do it is we go to settings. Here in settings, we select battery. And here in battery, we go to battery health. So here in battery health, up here, as you can see, it says this battery is performing as expected and it says normal. If your battery does not show this up here, if it shows a message like this, then your battery is not an authentic original Apple battery. It's an aftermarket battery. And if you're buying an iPhone, you may want to get a discount on it or just don't buy it at all. Also, if you had your battery replaced by a shop and they told you they would install an original Apple battery, then you may want to show that to them and have them install the authentic battery. All right, everyone, so that is how you check the battery status and authenticity of your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Go ahead, hit the like button if this video helped you, comment down below and let me know. And if you want an epic custom wooden phone case for your phone like these, check out the links down below in the description. And that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. As always, peace.